Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. I want to show you something amazing. And I wasn't even planning on this video, but I was cleaning up the Suburban. I just did another video about using a side scanning. You can look it up. But anyway, I'm finishing off with the wheels. I always do the wheels last. And I've had trouble with these wheels ever since I had a brake disc that I let it go too long and it got down to metal and it deposited metal deposits on the wheel. You know, you guys might know how that happens if you use up all the brake pad. Anyway, so there's metal deposits all the way around here, and I've washed it quite a few times, never really got it looking any good. So here's my process. Here's what I'm going to do, and it's kind of odd, but stick with me. This is just tire foam, so it's a cleaner, protector, whatever, spray on, dirt floats away, all that stuff. So I'm going to use that first. Then I'm going to use this brush. I'll put a link in my description area, my detail area, on how you can get this brush. And that's mounted on a Ryobi. And then the last thing I'm going to use by hand is this mag and wire. Now, this is acid cleaner, so you gotta be careful with this. Got my rubber glove on. So first, let's spray on this. It's meant for tires, but I'm using it on my wheels. A little bit on the tires too. Now, there we go. I'm gonna count to about 30 and let that work a little bit. You always have to let a chemical work, okay? Just can't, most chemicals you can't just spray them on and wipe them off real fast. There are a few exceptions, like Quick Detailer, for example. You don't let that sit, you spray it on and wipe it off. So a couple more seconds. Now I'm going to go at it with this, it's a very stiff brush. But you'll notice it fits perfectly. You've got to have a brush that fits it. I'm not going to show you this whole thing. I'm going to go around the whole wheel. Okay, so I do actually have a pressure washer here, but pressure washer is really not doing that much. I'm just rinsing off the product. You could use a hose. You don't have to have a pressure washer to do this. So now it's looking a lot better, right? Pretty good. But look at those deposits there. That's where I'm going to show you the magic thing with the acid cleaner. Watch this. Okay, so I put a little bit of acid cleaner right in that cap. That's just the cap that came off the acid cleaner. And I'm going to dip a regular old scrubby pad in there. Now watch this. That's about half size what it was. I don't want to use too aggressive or scrubby because you probably be taking some paint off too, or some clear coat finish. I'm getting smaller. And you don't have to do this like every time you do your wheels. This is just because I got some iron deposits onto the rims. Yeah, that's rubbing in the wrong spot. And I'm also using my left hand, which is not my strong side. Almost there. So there it is. And I had tried a half a dozen other ways to get this iron deposits off of there, and I never did. But this, if used carefully, look at how this other stuff, this is just comes off. So if you use it correctly and carefully, this is like really good on your rims. I'll put a link for it. Look for it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Have a nice, safe weekend. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Well, most of the light has gone away, so this won't be that spectacular, but I just wanted to show you how it came out. There you go.